This EAS broadcast was requested by the National U.S. Police Department. At 3:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we saw these tiny yellow creatures of unknown origin in the area. All residents within a 35-mile radius of Ohio should evacuate. And if you see this yellow creature, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned into local media for further updates. This is from the National U.S. Police Department. At 5:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we know these names of these tiny yellow creatures. They're called Minions. I'm not going to tell you the height of them because we don't know. They're probably tiny, or some of them are tiny, some of them are big. Anyway, these Minions have been reported breaking to people's houses and killing them. This is very dangerous, and you advised immediately lock all your doors and windows. Stay tuned to local media for further updates. This is from the National U.S. Police Department. I'm not going to tell you the time because your life is in immediate danger. Do not think about killing the Minion or any bad things. And do not, in any circumstances, go near the Minion. Okay? Well, they can't even find you in your homes because they're dumb and stupid. Wait a minute. Oh no. May God be with you all.